Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In today's session, I will show you how to use Canva to create professional and educational slides with ease if you want to design visual engaging presentations without advanced design skills. Canva provides simple tools and ready-made templates that make slide creation fast and effective. Whether you are a student, teacher, trainer, or professional, Canva help you design structured educational slides using layouts, icons, charts, and visuals that enhance understanding and keep your audience engaging. By the end of this video, you will know how to choose the right template, customize slides, add educational content, and export polished presentation ready for class or meeting. So let's get started. So right now we are at the website of the Canva. I have also provided our affiliate link into the description. You can come to this website by just clicking on that link, which is available in the description of this video, and you can also uh, sign up on this website with the help of the Canva. So once you get sign up on this website, you just have to search or click on this plus button, and here you will write for educational slides. So just click on this educational, and it will show you the lots of presentation based slides, and then you can choose any of the template regarding your topic or regarding your interest. Okay, so as you can see that on the left side you will see there are lots of educational templates, so you can choose any of them and customize, and let me show you how you are going to do it. So let's suppose I selected this template, so we apply all the 10 pages here. So as you can see that all the 10 pages have been applied, and it looks like this. The overall presentation looks like this, and then you can use it for your educational purposes in your classrooms. So if you want to do any make changes, you can just simply tap on the text, and then you can write anything that you want to add, or you can also add icons and manage each and everything. If you want to do some customization, you can add elements from this section. You can select the text and the style of the text, each and everything from these options. So but if you are not comfortable with this template, you can just simply click on the design again, and then click this back, and you can change the templates as well. So that's what we want to go for, this template. So this is the template. As you can see, there are lots of template, free template which you can use them, and a lot of templates are also paid one. So if you can also get their premium package plan. So if you want to use those paid paid templates. So that's all about how you can use it, how you can customize the templates for your educational slide. After creation of your presentation slide, you just select on the share button, and then you just simply download it by clicking on this download button, and you can select the file type. Okay, so for most of the case we choose with the PDF standard, and after that you just click on the download, and the file will be downloaded into your desktop. So that's all about Canva. I hope you like the video. I have also left all our affiliate link in the description. You can sign up through this link. I hope you like the video. I will catch you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.